He's playing
maybe the
fucking
Boomy is.
The
Then
Boomy is, I think.
Boomy's anti-capping.
Yeah.
Oh wait, what?
It's gonna be the Phil.
Pretty sure you fucked it.
He has no chance of getting
Maybe
it.
Dopus is just inking then, because the Boomy's capping his base.
Okay, I'm gonna go ink his base then. I'm just gonna go tap his base, see if he's there, okay?
He is there.
Watch me, Vendetta on me.
We both
Oh,
got
I
we both
PS
got it.
myself.
I'm out anyway.
Oh, I can knock this priest.
Oh my god.
And the priest is gone.
I'm on rogue him, man.
Kill the healer then.
I'll be when
There.
Yeah, I'm ready now. I'll just rift here, okay? I'll rift here.
There you go.
I did.
Also,
Dan, push forward and then grip something off the edge.
well, on
Just
this
got
side.
rogue, just got rogue.
Yeah, grip the
Warrior,
priest.
warrior.
Grip the priest.
Guys,
Oh, I'm stunned. I can't do it.
I just
I come.
he's playing loot.
Oh, you get me.
Someone help Fell River.
I'm already
Shaman's
gone.
gone, Shaman's gone.
I was
Kill-
in
kill-
MC,
kill
I
priest,
couldn't
kill
get
priest. I'm knocking all of them. Kill the healer. Or Bella.
Yeah.
At least they've got no grip
Yeah, I'm
anymore.
swapping on the on the holy pally now.
Lilith, do you wanna go drink? You might as well.
Yeah, I'm trying to cap, but it's not helping. I got ring now.
I can come help. I'll just go back mid. I'll go back mid. Unless
How
you're.
long till you can knock? Paul.
5 seconds.
Knock
Do you
all.
need-
Oh.
Okay, coming.
You go,
I got
Golfy.
priest here.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, actually, I'll run.
I'll go now.
Slow that druid as well.
I'm full mana.
I'd drink it.
What do you want me to do? Commit to defending or?
Yeah,
I can't
sure.
get. No, I
Nice,
commit.
They're
yeah,
panicking. They're panicking.
okay,
Slow
yeah.
them. Slow them. I take their base.
Kill the warrior now. Warrior dies. Come on, warrior.
You might get
I
that.
overlapped everything there.
No, they sent one back. They sent one
Yeah,
back.
no, it's fine. It's just
I
a camp.
pre-domed his kidney. Oh, he did.
Priest is gone. I'm not the priest. I'm not the priest.
No,
Holy
priest
play,
is
holy
still
play,
in.
holy play mid.
Do you get hibernated?
Nice.
Okay.
Last healer, maybe?
Kill the warrior.
Yeah,
guys.
okay, well.
Not priest.
Nice.
I knocked so many of the dogs. Captain.
Just tell me when.
Be cloak. Boom me behind. Oh, it's tank. It's tank.
It's still fist. It's still fist.
Calm.
Okay, nice.
We just gotta like insta bot him and Con's gone, I guess.
That's not mine.
Let me go rogue
we'll
here.
do.
Oh, guys, here, look.
Yeah, come in now. I burst roll.
Cheat death. Is that a form? His tank?
He's got 8 seconds on income.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, stun him.
Do you need help?
Send
Rogue dies now.
Someone needs to go.
I'll go
to
for knock here,
Shadowlands.
okay?
Yeah,
Nice
go.
one. 20.
Rifting.
Someone needs to go.
So 20 seconds I can get you at Fell River.
Will I go? Who's going?
Knocks Holy Pala.
I'm up in 15 now. You don't have to
Yeah, if it's
go. I
too
assume
I fear him, I
you
fear him, I fear him.
incon, yeah? Yeah, that's fine.
Should we kill him mid or?
It's spawning.
Kill what?
good. Gonna go drink a load.
Here you go now because I need to go after you.
Do you have not soon?
Drink it though.
I have.
Kill warrior now. Kill
No,
warrior.
I'm out of fight done.
Warrior dies. Come on.
But I'll have knock when I come back in.
Alright, nice.
Tank's still here, by the way.
Yeah, I know.
They're like triple defending their other bases. There's a chamois sat over here. I'm not going to that.
You just knock. I just saw a hippo
You
trying to
ready
get
to
back.
knock? Pally's fucking blinded me in the back.
Calm me, I'm slowed.
Yeah, you ready to knock?
I'm cloned.
Okay.
Help me, by the way. They're bombing me. Don't let them kill me. I'm dead. Ugh.
I'm back in mid. No,
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going then.
Okay, I go for knock here, Rifting now.
Yeah, you have a boomy coming to you, by the way, right?
Pal bubble.
Just Pal.
I res in 10, I can go help the rogue.
What did you say? I have a what now?
There's a boomy coming to your base in stealth.
He's here.
I can go off and knock soon.
I PS
You
stand.
I need one here.
Yeah, I'm ready to knock.
Can you knock tank?
I think we knock Holy Pala or
He drink it.
don't do tank because he's
Boom is
druid.
still here.
We get Holy Pala, knock Holy Pala.
No, I'm gonna knock priest.
No,
You got eyes?
It's Night Fate and he's got Grip Legendary.
3 seconds.
Okay.
It has to be Holy
I-
Pallor.
He's going
I
mid.
Back in middle.
I think that was a bait, by the way. I think they're going to double wink.
Yeah.
Tank's going out.
Oh no. I'm going to go quickly poke this
Can
rope.
we kill somebody? Can we kill this the second priest, please? First priest.
Put me in a bag.
Watch down, watch down, watch down.
I play aggressive
Be me
here.
behind. Be me behind.
Yeah.
He can die at any stun them actually.
That was done for 10.
Got all these like saps and traps
Clone me.
take all my fucking damage.
I got
Clone. Okay, go, okay.
Yeah, I got
I'm
knocked.
worried,
Yeah,
I'm
Right,
worried.
I can
fair.
knock Benji.
Yeah, I need to fucking help go. Oh, he's dead.
No, I
I
told you.
don't
I
am on
got
flag.
I can knock though, yeah.
Okay, I'm rifting now. I did a bad one, but I
That's
still did it.
really
I'm dead,
bad.
I might be dead here, I might be dead here, I might be dead.
No, you're good, you're good, you're good.
They're fine.
They
Can't stop the MC.
are they goat? No, they're
I'm
not.
trapped.
No.
Holy Palace defending Mage Tower.
Kill the rope, please.
Can we white mid then?
They won't.
Up there. Fucking hell.
Are we winning mid? Do you need
No,
me in
no,
mid?
no.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah,
we'll-
we do now, I think.
Oh,
Okay.
not like this.
I need help. Like,
I can spin.
Okay, I can see
I'm
you.
clone,
Bill.
I'm clone, I have to spin.
I think you should have gone anyway, go, but I don't know.
I sit the base for a bit. It's fine.
Just spin.
I have pet. I should be.
Boomy's inking already.
They're inking Fell River. Fell River.
Yeah, Boomy's coming fell.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I solo sit it, it's bad but like.
No, you can mid.
I can mid.
We just play for a regroup. I don't know.
Stop, please.
Neither of us are fine.
It's fine if you die, as long as you get a regroup.
I'm ready, you go, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, full regroup here.
But I can't leave the base just yet.
I come in
We
with
have to
darkness,
push
you?
it. We have to go, we have to go.
I've got darkness up.
Alright, where's swap with me then? And I'll go.
I have no trinket, but I've got.
Boomy's mid, so.
Right, we need to do something.
Okay, I'll go mid then, Joe.
How have you got
Yeah,
Paul?
Boomy's just
Yeah,
left the
I'm
fight.
just placed it.
What have you got, Joe?
I can go massive plot here if you want.
I've just placed it wait.
Wait,
Okay, if Benji can knock.
No, I
Yeah,
can't.
go-
I can't,
go
I
then,
can't,
go,
I
go,
can't, I can't, I can't, I can't, I can't.
Oh, okay.
I had to wing the flag.
It's fine. I'll do my own
Can
stuff.
I go? Can I go?
I can in 5 though, I can in 5.
In 5, okay.
Okay.
I get
I
one
just
for
press
that.
now. I just no.
Stop
no.
MC,
Yeah,
MC,
yeah,
MC,
go,
MC.
go, go, go,
Stop
go.
MC.
No, I can't.
How long, Joe?
Okay, go on.
How long?
I need something to stun for me though.
Oh, I can't.
Just don't rogue.
Okay, just do it there.
We knocking?
Combo.
I can't kick.
I was cloned on it.
Oh man.
I'm
Okay,
kick-
You have your cooldowns back, Joe.
have we got damage mid, yeah? Can we kill the Holy Pally, yeah, in 5 seconds?
We beat?
Yep. Yeah, we can.
Big down now, really big down.
Go.
I need pills.
Third, 4.
I'm sitting on the rope for now. I know the lock.
Am I in range for knock if
I rift on this.
Yeah, go,
I
go, go.
don't have knock. Oh, I do. Yeah.
Alright, 3. Oh, I didn't do it properly.
I got
We can
knocked away.
Knock me now, maybe.
Boomy's in team fight.
Priest is knocked. I knocked one
Rogue's
priest.
dead. Rogue's dead. And Dopus won't leave his base.
Holy
'cause
Pally,
I
can
keep
I
him
kill Holy Pally, please? Look at him. He's
Someone
trying
has to help Cho, don't they? Or no? Okay.
Okay, nice.
I'll let
Holy Pally
him-
dead.
I'll let-
Okay, now kill the lock.
Yeah, I go,
will
I go.
Dopus, yeah. Dopus is mid.
Wait, what base is he at?
He's chasing
Yeah.
you. He's chasing you.
Yeah, he'll chase me. He has to chase me every time.
I'm on low. Okay, Griffin. Should have knocked him.
Yeah,
actually.
kill the priest. I knocked the shaman. Just kill priest.
Lilith, do you wanna go drink?
Yeah, big
Yeah,
down.
I do. I do.
Kill priest.
I stun him here. He should die. I'll
Okay,
loot him.
SUS. We're just taking too long after we wipe the healers.
Can someone get my root beam?
Just sit on the lock.
Can we not?
I'm dead.
I'm a white thing
I'm
now.
rifting.
We just choke. We kill half their team and then we just fucking choke.
Yeah, we do.
We go Holy Pal. Just go Holy Pal.
Sure. They want to kill me here.
I get zinc up.
Revive
Yeah,
them,
I
revive
got
them.
turtle. I got turtle. Okay, nice.
I'm full mana.
Okay, kill the
Kicked,
holy
Kill Pala.
kicked, and cloned.
They need some CC on the fucking priest. 90 dice in. That's nice. Yeah, I can knock this. I can knock this priest.
Can you do it now?
Yeah.
Thunder?
Okay, kill the rogue. Kill the rogue.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
rogue
big
has
guy. Okay.
nothing.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I
Kill
didn't know.
Arabella, everything on Arabella now.
I didn't
Kill
know
the
you were
priest,
knocking him there.
Kill the
Yeah,
priest.
a silence.
Dispel me. I'm gonna get no. Oh, never mind.
I have next kick. Got it.
Ah, he cloned me.
Can we knock?
No, 5 seconds.
Rogue
She
vanished.
still dies. She still dies. Big stun here.
Shaman's gone again. Just kill. Rogue.
I'm gone.
AMD.
I rift.
I can't. I'm
Loot them.
I cast it now.
Yeah.
Rift now.
I loot rogue.
No, it's too late. Fuck.
Oh my god.
Simon, just kill Pala.
Yeah, kill Pala. I trap priest.
Dispel
Kill
Ovi,
Pala,
dispel
kill
Ovi.
Pala, kill Pala, I trap priest.
Opus goes team fight. Which is
I kill
nice
Pala.
because
Fear him.
my
I fear him.
meta's
I fear him.
getting back.
Stunned him.
Wait, we
He's
can
got no trinket. He's got no trinket. Trap him.
Oh, no,
I need CC on him.
Oh, baby!
Nice.
Knocking the priest. Oh, he ripped him in, man. Why?
Just kill.
Arabella, they've overhit this
Just tell
shit.
me.
Just kill Arabella.
I can rift when you want.
This is so stupid.
No, not 15.
I need to drink.
Yeah, go.
Or Alovi, can you? Or should I go first?
Yeah,
I'll
you
go
go.
first.
You just go.
But how can't we get this?
I
Priest
don't
is
know, like
not.
I'm
Priest is
trying
not.
to MC
Priest is
everyone
not.
up.
I'm knocking
I can
everyone,
rift, I
man.
can
You have to-
rift.
Come on. You have one healer in fight. Kill the priest.
I've rift in a sec.
Holy Pala's back now.
Go.
Oh my god. Going. Rift now.
Boom, he's convoking.
He bubbled it.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh.
I'm back in fight.
We win in 5 minutes, by the way. If we
Come on, we can
no,
fight,
we
man.
don't.
Look,
No,
can we
we
get the
don't.
flag? Come on.
They're capping.
It's not, they
Priest
win. They're 0.7.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I thought we were fucking lions.
I need to drink.
Rogue has ink.
He's there.
I come.
Okay, can we kill this? Can we kill this warrior? Yeah, I've got huge damage to warrior. Just go warrior in like 3
I
seconds.
drink it.
My game's
I
on
need
the left,
I need
can't
peels.
dispel.
I need peels for Lixerta.
What is this Kyrian golem, man?
Knock the rogue. I knocked the rogue. The rogue's knocked. I knocked the rogue.
That
Holy
rogue
shit.
trinket, didn't he?
I
Yeah,
can't
I did.
drink because I got this.
That rogue
I
trinket.
don't drink it. No,
Yeah,
man.
that
yeah,
rogue
no.
trinket.
Do you have priest knocking mid?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm fucking 5, Benji.
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Oh, I'm fine.
Ready? I rift.
Go.
Rift.
Kill
was
priest.
big, that was big.
Kill priest. Kill loyal priest. Loyal.
I need to go drink.
I'm trying to MC.
They're
We have
coming.
double ink.
He's
We have
coming.
double ink.
Guardian team bells.
Kill priest. Kill.
Can you send somebody to DR quickly?
Oh, no.
I'm going to DR. Now the rogue's here, man. There's no. I can't go to DR. The rogue and the boomy between.
Can we kill bot first priest?
You have eye?
The Asa rogue is
Booming
going
Rogue's
back
here,
off as
Rogue's
well,
here,
right?
Rogue's here. Yeah, Rogue's in team fight.
They have 2 rogues, but Boomy peeled off when he's back
Can we
in.
press CC on this other disc?
Just kill.
Yeah,
him.
the rogue-
One of the healers go drink. Alovi, do you
Kill.
want to drink?
Oh, I'm full kit.
I got drink.
I need.
We lose such an opportunity there, by the way. I'm going to ink this rogue. He has no trinket and he's solo defending.
The holy fuck,
Yeah,
one corner.
yeah, I
actually.
can't-
Oh.
Can you knock?
I can't, not for 7.
I have
Okay.
dragon harvey.
Opus has to come
Clownfiesta.
to this base now.
We can actually go nuclear harvey soon. Like I got
I
dragon.
dome in mid.
Just tell me when.
I can't move, hang on.
Oh, I get him out as well.
There. Bells.
Do it now. Do it now. On.
No. I can't look cast it
He
from here.
trinked it.
Now.
He trinked it.
Rifting,
He's leaving.
Go.
I'll take the whole fucking team.
I'm charmed off, but I'm not even charmed off. Let's go.
Kill the last healer, mate. Kill the last healer.
I'm
Someone
back
goes to
middle.
Belf, right?
Kill Arabella.
Is somebody
please.
going bell?
Someone has to
Yeah,
go
yeah,
Belf,
yeah.
I can.
I'm
Listen,
going.
mate, hello?
I can,
Yeah,
I go. I just killed their rogue.
I'm fine.
Like,
Like,
The priest dies now. His PS is off.
he's
Come on.
going mid. He's going mid.
Yeah.
Yeah. He did.
Right, I go slow healers. You have
Kill
to
the
wait.
rogue, kill the rogue.
We can just get him grip knocked at some point, surely.
Oh,
so-
they'll come in here though.
I slow it. I can't.
Knocking 5.
Yeah. We have to CC Dippers before we knock him, that'll like stun him or something.
I can't hit him. If he stays that far back, I can't stop him.
Priest, I got knock priest, knock priest.
You have to kill Fowler. Yeah, you have to kill Fowler.
Ready when you are, Harvey?
I mean, I don't know if I hold it here actually. Okay, I just do it then. I just rift now. I rift now.
Go.
Come on, kill the
Or you jump back on but Pala bubble and still die more.
There's a chance, he's coming mid. Dope bitch is coming mid.
Finish me.
On him here.
Knock him,
There's a
knock him.
Oh, sorry.
Try cap.
Warrior coming in from the back.
Nice.
Nice, go.
Stunning.
No, escort, don't.
Nice.
Papers left.
Oh my god!